Want to buy your first rental property in 2025, but not sure where to start, especially with high interest rates, tighter lending, and so much conflicting info online? Well, you're not alone. The good news, buying rentals is way more doable than most people think if you follow a simple real-world plan. Hey guys, I'm 𝗕𝘂𝘆 𝗬𝗓. I've flipped, wholesaled, and wholesaled hundreds and hundreds of off-market properties since I started my journey back in 2017, and I am the founder of REI Freedom Coaching. Over the past couple years, we've helped more than 60 students build real estate businesses, lock up off-market deals, and buy their first rentals. So if you're brand new and want a clear path to get your first rental the right way, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, what to avoid, and how to go from zero to owning your first rental, even in today's market. Let's get into it. First, we got to get your finances ready, guys. That's where it all starts. Before you buy anything, you've got to prep the basics. Check your credit score. Aim for 620 minimum. 680 plus is ideal. Save your down payment, usually 20-25%, but there are other options. Build reserves. Most lenders want to see about 3 to 6 months of expenses. Pay off bad debt and clean up your report. That helps with the loan approval and getting you the best rates. Buying rentals is a business. Even your lender wants to see you're treating it like that, right? So your lenders want to see you treating it like a business because you're buying a rental is a business. If you made it this far, hit subscribe. I drop tactical videos every week to help you succeed in real estate. And guess what, guys? It's 100% free. So you got to build your buying criteria, right? Without clear criteria, you're going to waste months looking at bad deals. Ask yourself, what cities and neighborhoods are you targeting? What's your price range? How much cash flow per month are you aiming for? Are you buying a single family or are you looking to buy a small multifamily? Will you self-manage or use a property manager? These things are important to know. Be specific. Vague buyers, they don't get anything. They don't buy anything. You've got to be specific, all right? So you got to find the right deal. That's where it all starts. Here's where most people get stuck. You want to look for off-market deals. Driving for dollars, direct mail, referrals, buy from wholesalers, build relationships. They will bring you the deals. Avoid relying on the MLS, especially in hot markets. You're going to just pay way too much. When a deal hits your radar, quickly analyze it. What's market rent? What's the repair estimate? Will this deal cash flow? Speed wins in real estate. Speed wins in real estate, but only when you know exactly what you're looking for, right? So if the right deal comes along, you know what you want, you can pounce on it like that. So if you're ready to start finding deals, comment the word deals below. My team will reach out with tools we usually only give to coaching students to help you get more deals, bigger deals with less cancellations. Financing your first rental. Let's talk loans, because in 2025, it looks a little different than it did a few years ago. Conventional loans, best rates, but require income verification and good credit. Typically, you have to put about 20 to 25% down. DSCR loans, I use these a lot. Debt service coverage ratio. Lender wants to see the rent can cover the monthly payment. These are great if your personal income isn't strong on paper, but the rates are higher. Usually right now in 2025, 7 to 9%. Private money. So if banks don't work, this is an option. Use the BRRRRs or fix and rents. Just make sure the deal can handle the repayment, right? So I buy a lot of my multifamilies with private capital, and then I go in there and use their money to buy it, renovate it, get their tenants in, right? Stabilize it, refinance it with a conventional loan or a commercial loan with a bank because it's already stabilized, and then I pay my investor back. I love that. But some of the turnkey rentals that I buy down in Mississippi, I can't BRRRR them because they're already ready, even though I get them below market value. That's where I use a DSCR loan. So sometimes I have to bring in 20 to 25% depending on the situation, but because I'm still getting them below market value, somewhere between 12 and 20% I'll have to put down, and they start cash flowing day one. DSCR loans are great, but again, I am paying a higher interest for them. That's why I love BRRRR. BRRRR is my favorite. BRRRR is where you can have built-in equity without having to put any money in or sometimes a little money in. But here's the bottom line. The money is still out there. You just have to come with a strong deal. A strong deal and you'll get the money. So know exactly what you're looking for. All right, here's step 5. Close the deal and manage the property. You're almost there. Don't fumble the handoff, right? Get an inspection. Don't skip this. Negotiate any issues. Plan your repairs and timeline. Screen tenants carefully or you will pay the price. Decide whether to manage yourself or hire it out. I recommend hiring it out unless you're house hacking. This is where landlords make or lose money, and I've lost a lot of money here. Believe me, this is also where I've made a lot of money. All right, we want to keep it simple, guys, right? Buying your first rental isn't rocket science. It's just a process. And like anything else, you'll learn by doing. Start with one, get experience, and improve from there. That's all you got to do. That's all I did with my first BRRRR. Just went, took a chance, and got it from there. Your first rental will teach you more than 100 YouTube videos, so get out there and take massive or perfect action, right? I love you guys watching, but I'd rather you guys go get deals. All right, so if you're ready to go deeper, I just released a new training. It's called The Ultimate Guide to More Deals, Bigger Deals, and Less Cancellations. It's free. It'll save you months of wasted time. Links below. And next week, I'm walking you through exactly how to use the BRRRR method in 2025, which I just said I love, so you can buy more rentals using the same down payment over and over again. Make sure you're subscribed. You're not going to want to miss it, guys. It's a game changer. I'll see you guys next week.